Hey guys, and welcome back. This is Safe, and today I'm gonna walk you through how you can make money with Clickbank. So let's get started. So what is Clickbank? Clickbank is actually a website which allows you to earn money using affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is, for example, let's say you have a specific product which is sold and you want to gain or earn money or a cut or a share from this purchase. All what you need to do is to just generate an affiliate link which redirects anyone who clicks on this link to the product. And anyone who will buy this product using the link that you published, which is your affiliate link, you will gain or earn a cut or a share from this purchase process. So let's see how we can accomplish this. First of all, I will visit a website called CP Snooper. CP Snooper help you to actually knows what are the products that are the best candidates for you to decide or to choose so that you can use an affiliate link to them. I will show you all of these steps live, but I need first to sign up to my own account in CP Snooper and I will show you how. After signing up, I will head to search where there are multiple products that you can choose from. Now you have just a second, let it load. Here we are. Now you have all these products and all these pages that you can navigate through and choose products from. So what is the best candidate that you can choose so that you can market to it or use an affiliate marketing to this product? All what you need to do is to go to Repel, arrange it descendingly. Repel means the share or the cut that you will get per sale of this product, and you will choose from these products descendingly. However, you will have to just take a look at the gravity, which means how much this product is actually known or popular or famous, and you will need to choose something from 25 to 100. Why? Because lower than 25 means that this product is not popular enough, and more than 100 means that this product is actually saturated in the market. So you will have to look at something which is in this range. So let's just look at a product by product. Here it's not acceptable, not acceptable, not acceptable. I will keep just navigating downward until I have this product. So basically here we have $132 per sale that we can achieve. And here the gravity is actually 27, which makes it a perfect candidate for us. So now let's visit this product. And here I will just generate hop link, which is your affiliate link. And I will have to insert my Clickbank nickname. So I will go to my Clickbank, copy my username, and I will paste it here so that it will link this affiliate link to my own account on Clickbank. And now I will generate. And here is my link. So what I need to do is to just copy this link. And I need to save it, so I will go to an online notepad and I will drop this link on it. Afterwards, I need to actually see what this link will redirect me to understand more about this product. So by going to the products page, here we can see that it's actually a supplement which will help you to solve your own sleep disorders. Perfect. Now we know the purpose of the product. So now we need to do a sneaky step, which is how to use our affiliate link or how to attract people to click on this affiliate link. What I like the most is to use ebooks. Here we have free PLR downloads, which is a really amazing website that offers free ebooks. And now you will need to search for the category that is the most close to your own product. Since our product is dealing with sleep disorders, I think it's relevant to stress. So I will go to stress and download an ebook which talks about stress. I will choose this one. And now I will just click on download and wait for my own ebook to be downloaded successfully. Now I will need to embed my own affiliate link or hop link in this ebook. This is done by a website called Sajda. So I will just search for it. And here is Sajda. So I will go and click on edit a PDF document. And now I will just drag and drop my own document. And now it's uploading. Here we are. So now I will just go downwards to the first page here, and I will click on links. Or first I will click on text, and I will add a text here. If you want to solve your sleep disorders in a matter or permanently. Sorry for my spelling. And perfect. Now I can also edit how this text will look like its font and its color. However, I will just leave it as it is. I can just make it bold to be more noticeable, like that. And now I will go to links, where I will just highlight all this text. And I will now go to my own hop link or affiliate link that I have saved before, and I will head to Sajda, where I will link this box to my own link. Perfect. And now it's ready. You can also do the same each page in the ebook to make it more noticeable. However, you will have to change the text which is written so as not to repeat yourself a lot. So you can just rephrase this text and add it to each page once more. And after you are done, you can just now save your own PDF and click on Apply Changes. And click on Download. Perfect, my download is done. Next, what you need to do is to just upload this ebook on the internet. So I will go to my own drive. Click New, File Upload. Then make sure that you actually upload the new ebook with the added link and not the old one, because if you added the old one, it will practically be useless. And now I will just wait for it to upload. Here we are. So now the final step is to actually go to Facebook, because it's one of the biggest platforms that through which you can use to market for your own products. Then I searched for sleep disorder. Now I need to see all groups. Here you have multiple groups that you can see. So you can just go to anyone with large number of members in it. So I will just go to this first one. Of course, this is not a very large number of members. However, you can just see more groups. And now you can just write an attractive post which says free ebook to the first 100 comments. Like the post, comment, free ebook. And you can also add to your own post any image, like an image that you designed on Canva or any other platform, so that it will make your own post more attractive. And once you get your own comments, you can just go and directly send your own ebook to these users. And so of course it requires manual work, and it requires you to send this affiliate link to each user independently. But look at the bright side. When you just if any of these users actually paid for this product, you will actually make $146 per sale. So this is amazing, and it requires really effort to earn this amount of money. So it's okay if you will do some manual work, because it's worth it. And this is how easy you can make money with Clickbank. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you liked this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.